Hey, it's Scott from SamCart. In the final episode of our new copywriting series, we're going to cover how you can pull out the Jedi mind tricks and turn your readers into paying customers. The first thing you need to do is called value stacking. The first strategy is all about making your product more appealing. Because by itself, your product can seem really boring. But when you can surround it with extras, all of a sudden your product becomes something completely different in the minds of your audience. And it's the same reason that every infomercial ever doesn't stop by just selling you one single slap chop.
You're gonna love my nuts, watch this.
They toss in a second one, and upgraded blades, and the cleaning kit, and free shipping, and a guarantee that will outlive the human race. All of a sudden, that one item has become an offer with like 6 or 7 different things included inside of it. The visitor starts to see your initial product in a whole new light. It lowers skepticism and it makes what you're selling feel a lot stronger in their mind. So what can you do about that? Add free shipping, extra downloads, free resources, other products, priority support, and whatever else you have to throw in there. Number 2 is a guarantee. You know what's super important? To think like your buyer. Product creators like us have this tendency to think of our visitors in a vacuum. Like you can just knock out all the objections and nothing will stand in their way of becoming a buyer. But that's not how the world works. Buyers come to you having brought all of their assumptions and experiences to that interaction at that moment. They're looking at your product, but they're also thinking about how that other thing that they bought last month didn't quite work out, or how the shipping on that thing last week was slow, or how their monthly budget is looking right now and can they afford it. There are things keeping them from buying that have nothing to do with your product in that moment. But the best way to combat those sorts of objections is to beef up your guarantee. Offering an explicit, in-writing guarantee is one of the best ways to bring freedom back into the decision for your visitors. If you're worried the product isn't going to live up to expectations, well, how about a free 30-day guarantee so that you can try it out risk-free? No matter what you sell, you need some kind of guarantee in writing on your product page, right at the time in which someone is giving you their payment information. SamCart's database actually proves that pages with a guarantee convert 26.2% higher than pages that don't have one at all. And if you're willing to make your guarantee longer, the longer your guarantee, the higher those conversion numbers go. And finally, recapping your offer and setting expectations. Recapping your offer is so important. Why? Because people are one step above goldfish. They have no long-term memory, and you cannot just send people to your product page to go buy without constantly reminding them of exactly what they get when they give you their money. Never just expect someone to just remember why they are buying. If you are currently right now presenting your visitors with like a product name and a dollar amount and that's it, you are losing out big time. Even if your recap is just quick bullet points, recapping your offer line item by line item is critically important. Sum everything up. Just by joining SamCart today, you will get the following bonuses completely for free. You will get the 14-day course creation challenge, all the workbooks, scripts, and outlines that come with it, 2 weeks of live coaching calls, access to the private Facebook group, the ultimate course sales page, the SamCart studio setup, 6-figure course breakdowns, and Facebook Ads 101. These bonuses alone could be sold for over $3,000, but you will get all of them completely for free just by joining SamCart today. So you can say things like, you get my product, plus free shipping, plus the companion downloads, plus this, plus that, and just quick bullet points so people don't forget why they're buying and leave. This is so important that we actually built an order summary widget into every single SamCart sales page. Right there, right next to the buy button. So you literally cannot create a page on SamCart that does not contain a recap of what your customer gets. It is that important. And the last thing you want to do is to set expectations. Tell people exactly what's going to happen after they buy. Are they going to get an email? Will an item be shipped tomorrow or on Monday after the weekend? Is there a login that they need to go look for? Well, if you're using the new SamCart courses, any students are gonna get auto-enrolled into whatever digital content they buy, which is super sick. But whatever you can do to show people what is going to happen next after they buy, you are going to close more sales and you're going to keep more happy customers at the same time. And every single bit of that falls under this same copywriting journey. Selling more of your stuff is an art, and copywriting is the right tool for the job. So the next time you go to create a new offer, follow our lead here in this series. Write a killer headline and follow that up with a story that connects with your audience's pain. And then create an offer around your product that makes it irresistible. And if you want to see just how simple it can be to put this blueprint into action and sell more of your stuff online without any experience with copywriting, then check out this video right here on the 4 elements of a high converting sales page. It is one of the most popular videos here on our YouTube channel, and it dives into our core 4 method for launching any product from just one simple page, which is something SamCart sellers have been making a living off of over the last few years. Make it easy to sell. Get the right tools by heading over to samcart.com today and get started for free. You can get a live demo and see how more than 20,000 businesses have sold over $2 billion of their own products, goods, and services through our platform. But with that, I'm Scott Moran, the co-founder here at SamCart. Get out there and start copywriting. Flex this newfound muscle and see the difference that it will make in your bottom line.